Okay, we got another Paul Wattis has joined the challenge of the walleye eye eating contest. I'm gonna wash it, make sure it's all nice and clean. Pretty slimy. Not that it matters, it's a walleye eye.
Yeah.
There you go. Still intact. Nice and juicy. Please keep your mouth open so we can watch you chew it.
Yeah, I want to see that. Oh, look at that
Come on, Dad!
Oh, yeah!
I think he's looking at me.
Fat sucker.
Is he? Let's see it.
Oh, I got it!
Hang on.
Adam! Oh!
There you go.
Oh! Okay.
Got the whole thing.
Oh! See that again?
Woo! That was really fishy. What was that like?
Fishy.
Your tongue is yellow.
It was from those popcorn I was just eating.
Oh.
How was it?
Tasty.
Not bad?
Really not bad.
Actually tasted good.
Kind of like a gummy worm,
Actually
eh?
tasted good. You want some eggs now?
You want
Actually